What is the gospel? The first announcement of the gospel was written in Genesis chapter 3, verse 15, where God says to the serpent that I will put an enmity between you and the woman, between thy seed and her seed. It shall crush your head, and you shall bruise his heel. This is what God said. So the gospel was announced in contrast to the curse that was given to the serpent. God, in chapter 3, God was rendering judgment because man disobeyed him. So, he was declaring judgment to Adam and Eve, and he was also declaring or rendering justice to the serpent. No? He said that I will put an enmity, meaning kanang enmity diha, it is the Lord Jesus Christ. No? He is the promised seed. In the beginning, siya ang hipsaad sa Ginoo nga manluluwas. Igon pa diha nga Jesus will crush the head of the serpent, meaning that Jesus will defeat the enemy through his death and resurrection. He will overcome sin and death through his resurrection. No? Mauna nga ang gospel was announced by God. It is owned by God. It is from the mouth of God. No? That is the real gospel nga dapat maoy atong madawat kay mao kana ang matuod nga gospel, no? Nagikan kini sa Ginoo. God owns it. God announced it. God declares it. Mao na karon ng mga mao ni ang distinction sa real gospel, no? Kay karong panahon na daghan kayong gospel nga nanggawas, no? Nagkalain-laing sikta, nagkalain-lain usab nga gospel, no? But what is the real gospel according to the Bible? So in Genesis 3 verse 15, mao ni ang gisulti sa Ginoo. Mao ni ang gi-announce sa Ginoo nga he will put an enmity between the devil and the woman, between thy seed and her seed. He will crush the head of the serpent, and he shall bruise his heel. No? Meaning, what we need in this life is the real gospel. Because there is a promise there that God is going to crush the head of our enemy. Mao na nga kung anaa ka nato ang real gospel, we can defeat our everyday enemy. That is the gospel.